6 lucrative passive income side hustles guaranteed to generate $100 or more daily. In this video, I'll show you 6 side hustle ideas that can be started right away from the convenience of your home. These side hustle ideas have the potential to generate a minimum of $100 per day through passive income, but they do require some effort and hard work on your part. By dedicating time and effort to setting them up, you can begin earning money even while you're asleep. This is what's great about passive income. If you do it right, expect a steady and consistent flow of income every month. The first side hustle idea is selling artwork. Consider selling artwork on Etsy as a passive income idea. You have the option to sell digital downloads or physical artwork like framed images or canvases. The process is pretty simple and easy. Choose a third-party service like Printify, link it to your Etsy shop, and create the artwork that will be printed on the chosen medium. After that, Printify handles the rest, manufacturing the product, packaging it, and shipping it to your customer upon purchase. It's a simple and low-effort way to generate passive income. One benefit of this business model is that you can set higher prices for physical artwork compared to digital artwork since customers are getting a tangible product. If you're an artist, this is the best way to market your artwork. People always love to see and buy artwork that's unique and something that they've never seen before. However, if you don't see yourself as an artist or creative, you can still do this type of side hustle. You can sell quotes that are always popular and in demand. Some sellers of quotes are selling their items for high prices, even reaching over $1,000, especially when offered as large canvas sets. Creating these quotes is relatively simple using design software like Canva, Photoshop, Kittle, or any other software you're comfortable using. Also, you just need to be smart about looking for platforms where you can find artwork or images that are free to use for commercial purposes. You can also use public domain images in your artwork. Public domain refers to works where the artist's intellectual property rights have expired or been forfeited. Websites like Pixabay or Free Images are good sources to find public domain images for your artwork. I would highly suggest not just copying and pasting these public domain images and selling them as is. It's always better to make the artwork more unique or add your own touch, such as by applying filters, changing colors, or adding text. This way, your creations stand out from those of others who may be doing the same. As an example, I came across a 3-piece set featuring Monet artwork where the artist cropped sections of the original artwork, made color adjustments, and added text. You can easily do this using any design software of your choice. If you're curious about the viability of this side hustle for you, the answer is yes. But it demands effort. Like any other business idea or side hustle, it's crucial to put in the necessary work to launch it and gain momentum. Without effort, you won't achieve results. By offering more products and actively marketing them, you can expect better outcomes in your business. Working consistently towards your goals and promoting your products is vital for success. The second side hustle idea is to sell low-content books on Amazon KDP. It's incredibly easy to set up, and anyone from anywhere in the world can do it in just a few minutes. All you need is a free Amazon KDP account to self-publish your books. Low-content books can include planners, journals, notebooks, and activity books, among others. You're not required to have writing or graphic design skills, as the books are designed for customers to write in. The convenience is that you don't have to personally create physical copies of the books. Amazon takes care of everything, from creation to packaging and shipping, when you upload your books to Amazon KDP. You should invest time in researching the top-selling books on Amazon to ensure you create books that are in demand. Look for niches with high demand but low competition. You can use a tool like BookBolt to help with this research. You can easily sign up on BookBolt and avail of their 1-month trial. If you're curious about how to get started with this side hustle, you can check out video tutorials on YouTube. You'll be surprised to know that there are so many people now who are doing this, and they're earning thousands of dollars a month. Another potential side hustle is creating YouTube videos for passive income. The main income stream here would be YouTube AdSense. Once you meet YouTube's requirements, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and start receiving monthly payments from the platform. The amount of money you can make from YouTube really depends on various factors, such as your niche, the number of ads you place in your videos, and the number of ad views you receive. One of the best parts of having a YouTube channel is that you can monetize it in multiple ways, not just through YouTube AdSense. You can also leverage affiliate marketing, sell your own digital products to your audience, or direct them to your merch store. There are limitless opportunities for generating income from YouTube. If you prefer not to appear on camera for YouTube, there are numerous successful channels that do not feature faces and instead focus on topics such as illustration, gaming, meditation, and more. Regardless of your content, it's crucial to pay attention to the quality of your editing, including the use of music and sound effects. Epidemic Sound offers a diverse range of options for music and sound effects that you can consider using. They offer an impressive collection of over 35,000 tracks and 90,000 sound effects, with new additions every week. It's incredible. You can use their soundtracks in your YouTube videos, podcasts, and Instagram Reels without worrying about copyright strikes or takedowns. Plus, if you cancel your subscription after the 1-month trial, any content you create using their music during the trial will not receive any copyright strikes. They have a range of subscription options to suit different requirements. The personal plan is perfect if you only need to connect and monetize one channel per platform. On the other hand, the commercial plan is tailored for freelancers or agencies that want to use their soundtracks not only for their own content, but also for their clients' content. The fourth side hustle idea is selling digital templates. You have the opportunity to generate passive income by selling digital templates on various platforms like Etsy, your own website, or Koji, which is another platform you can use. There are plenty of options available for selling your templates. You can create them using tools like Canva, Adobe, or even Google Sheets and Docs. Basically, you can create a document that you sell access to, enabling people to edit and use it for their own needs. Templates are highly sought after as they help save time, which is why they sell consistently. Canva templates can range from thank you cards to Instagram posts, business cards, Pinterest pins, and ebooks. On the other hand, Google templates can include bookkeeping spreadsheets, email templates, Instagram captions, invoice spreadsheets, and blog posts, among others. If you're interested in creating higher-priced templates to increase your earnings, you can consider options like website templates, Etsy shop templates, or webinar slide deck templates. These templates are not overly complicated to create, and you can charge more for them because they help other business owners save time in their own operations. Another idea for a side hustle is to write and sell ebooks and workbooks. I observe that many people are willing to purchase workbooks to help them achieve a specific goal. These workbooks can guide people step by step through a process, providing corresponding tasks to help them achieve their goals. Creating an ebook is actually quite simple. You can write one up using Microsoft Word or Canva. You might think that this one requires a lot of work, or you might have no idea how or where to start. You can find tons of YouTube tutorials that will walk you through the process of creating one. You can sell them on your Etsy shop, or if you have a YouTube channel, you can link your product in the description. Last on our list is that you can consider creating and selling online classes as a potential side hustle. You may have come across discussions about the concept of designing and selling online courses, or perhaps you've taken some courses yourself. If the idea of consistently selling courses and managing a group for daily student support feels overwhelming, don't fret. It's certainly possible to do it as long as you know how to do it. You may also want to consider hosting your classes on platforms like Skillshare and Udemy. These platforms already have an established audience, which means that they can help drive traffic to your classes. However, it's still important to promote your classes on your own as well. Applying to be a teacher on Skillshare is a straightforward process. You can simply visit their homepage, click on Apply at the top right corner, and fill out the questions about the type of classes you want to create. Skillshare also addresses the question of whether you need to promote your classes and highlights that they have a built-in audience from the start. According to reports, the top-earning teachers at Skillshare are making $100,000 or more each year. I understand that some of you may be skeptical and think that success on these platforms is not achievable for you. However, why not? If there are teachers who are making substantial earnings, why can't you? As I mentioned earlier, it's about dedicating time and effort in the beginning and building momentum through hard work. I know that all the side hustles I listed here are great, but you may feel intimidated by them. They may look difficult to start with, but I assure you that they are all quite easy to do. As I've said, you need to invest time and effort to create passive income. You need to work hard if you want great results. It's only hard at the beginning, but eventually, when you learn and get familiar with the process, I know that you'll enjoy the journey, especially when you get your first paycheck or make your first sale. Thank you for watching, and I hope it was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments. Stay tuned for the next video and have a great day. See you soon.